when I was a visitor with Kathy, and we'd come out and sit down with her folks and spend some time with them. One night we walked down on the pier, and we walked to the end of the pier and watched the sunset like a lot of people do. It's beautiful here. And everybody applauded at the end of it. And I said, you know, this is a place I'd like to live. It gave us an opportunity to be creative and gave us enough space so that we could do pretty much whatever we wanted to do.
The challenge was taking the brick and the steel and the concrete and making it livable and making it cozy and making it feel like a home. My favorite space is the kitchen. There's so much workspace, and I love the appliances that we have. It's a great place to really have fun and be creative cooking.
We call it the Four Seasons room, kind of like a bonus room. It's all window, and you can see everything from there. When I get up in the morning and I can see the trees and I can see the openness, I always say, wow, this is where I want to be.